Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Students, let us solve question number 41. A piece of ice falls from a height h so that it melts completely. Suppose this is a piece of ice of mass m falls from a height h so that it melts completely. So it melts completely by falling that height and it becomes liquid. This is now ice solid is converted into water liquid, and only 1/4 of the heat produced is absorbed by the ice, and all energy of ice gets converted into heat during its fall. So during its fall, the potential energy that is lost is converted into heat, and only 1/4 of that heat is absorbed by ice to melt completely into liquid. The value of H is how much that you have to find. The latent heat of ice is given, which is nearly 80 calorie per gram. Latent heat of ice is 3.4 10⁵ joule per kg, and G is 10 Newton per kg or meter per second square. We know that when a body falls by a distance h, the loss in potential energy is equal to heat produced. But 1/4 of energy loss in potential energy is given to ice to melt. This part of the loss in potential energy is given to ice to melt in the form of heat. So that means when it falls by a distance h, the potential energy lost is mgh, but only 1/4, that is mgh by 4, is given to ice. The total mass of ice is melted, and this is the heat received by the ice. The m cancels and h you to find. This is 4L divided by G. This is 4 into latent heat is given 3.4 10⁵ SI unit divided by 10. So this is 100 in 10⁵. This cancels and this point cancels, and this is 10⁵. So this is 4 34 10⁵ meter, which is 4 into 34 kilometer, which is 136 kilometers. So the answer to this question is 136 kilometer. So the ice falls from a height of 136 kilometer, and only 1/4 of that energy is used to melt the ice. Only 1/4 of the heat is used to melt the ice completely. So this is the answer to this question. Okay, thank you.